Hi guys, Adam at BWR Suspension here. We have a 1993 CR125 shock that needed a lot of work. It is the epitome of ridden hard and put away wet. The bumper was missing. There was a lot of rusted parts. The bladder cap had a crack in it. It was rusted into place. The seal head was rusted into place. It did take quite a bit of work to get the stuff apart without damaging anything. The shock shaft, some of the chrome was coming off. It was right near the bottom where the bladder should be, so we cleaned it up the best we could, polished the shaft up, polished everything that we could with the Prime MX wheels. I think the stuff came out really good for what we were dealing with. I had another shock apart that I stole the bladder cap from. They are unavailable now, unfortunately. So I was able to get the customer up and running. And as you see, as we get going here, you'll obviously see me struggle a few times, and then you will see some of the results to the end. Hope you enjoy the video, guys, and take care, and thanks for watching. those of you that did get in this far, you will see in one of the photos later on, you will see all the shims. That's your valving. Every single shim in that stack had to be replaced. You will see in the photos how bad the shims are. They're well past their due date, so we did change every single shim, and we actually valved it a little bit different for this customer. He doesn't know yet, so it'll be a surprise.